welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. Today I am bringing you another haul, and this is a NAIO nails haul. This is my second NAIO nails haul. Now if you have seen my other NAIO nails haul, that was a lot more exciting than this one. This one's kind of more stocking up on things that I need kind of thing, but I thought I would do a haul for you guys anyway because it's been a while since I did that haul, I think. And I am a really big fan of NAIO nails. I just want to say the only problem I'm having with NAIO is supply and demand. Supply and demand. There's too much demand and not enough supply. Nothing really seems to be in stock. Well, I say nothing. There's a lot of things that are in stock. The main thing I'm struggling with is the cover powders. I've just realised something that I haven't got in here that I need to get. Okay, I'm back. I had to go get something that I've already been playing with before I filmed the video, so I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, the one thing that I'm struggling with is the cover powders. There are no cover powders in stock apart from Cameo, and then I think there's one or two in the tiny little tubs. But obviously, when you're buying a cover powder, you want like, you know, a decent sized tub. So that's the only thing that I'm like a little bit sad about, and I'm struggling a little bit because of that. But I'm going to show you what I've decided to do to try and help myself with that problem. So let's get into the haul. And first up, I wanted to get some more monomer. Now, I am actually nearly out of monomer, so I needed to make this purchase because I'm nearly all gone. I'm doing a lot of nail stuff at the moment. That's why there's a lot of videos coming. And I'm really sorry for all the guys who love my makeup videos and all those other videos. They're still going to be coming, but I've kind of like... I'm like inundated with all the nail videos that I've been filming. There's like loads. But I'm practicing loads and I'm just loving it so much. And you guys do seem to be enjoying the videos as well. Please, like, if that's not the case, then do let me know. But I'm really enjoying it, and I do tend to get mainly people commenting on my other videos saying more nail videos, so I'm like, okay. So anyway, first up, I went and got myself some Max Adhesion NAIO Nails monomer. Now, the one that I had before, if you guys remember, is the medium speed one, and I 100% was like, I want Max Adhesion. Like, I will only get Max Adhesion from now on, because obviously, if you remember in the last haul, I thought that the Max Adhesion was the fast one, and I didn't realise what it actually meant, but it basically just means it sticks better, basically. So this one comes purple, the other one is clear. I don't know if that's anything that anyone cares about. I'm not bothered about it, providing it doesn't stain anything purple. And I also think, I've got a feeling that this one doesn't smell as strong, which could be something that really interests a lot of people. I know that there are a lot of people who struggle with smell, and who struggle with, especially the ones that work from home. I really do like the smell, but I am starting to get a little bit concerned. I don't want it to go like to the neighbours or anything like that and cause an issue, so yeah. But this is the 120ml Max Adhesion, and I got 480ml, and it just came in these tubs, so I ended up with 4 of these, which is perfect. Like, it would have been more difficult to use it if it was in one big tub. So they sent me 4 120ml tubs, but I ordered the 480, if that makes sense. So I've got 4 of these little guys, which I can't wait to try. Like I say, I have nearly run out of the other one, so I will be using that one as soon as that runs out, and then we'll see how it goes and see what it's like. I ordered some Mega White because I felt like, you know, I needed some white in my life. And also I know I can mix the white if I need to try and make like more of a cover powder, which I am going to get to in a minute. I have done one video on making a cover powder and it worked really well, so... Sorry, I'm not very well. I've had like this weird cold for like 3 weeks now. But yeah, that's the Mega White, and I got that in a 33g tub. And also, obviously, everybody needs some crystal clear in their life. I feel like clear is the one that you're always going to use the most, because 90% of your nails you're probably going to end up capping, obviously, in clear. Now, I'm really glad because I ordered clear. They only had clear on the website, but they've sent me crystal clear, which is awesome. I ordered, I think, I can't remember now whether I ordered the big one and they sent me it in 2 little ones, or whether I just ordered the 2 little ones. I can't 100% remember because I did the same with another colour, and one was one and one was the other, but either way I've got 2 65 grams of the clear, crystal clear in fact. So the other things I decided to try out, like I say, the only cover that they have is the Cameo, so I ordered 2 of the 65 grams of Cameo. Like I say, I think I ordered 2 of the 65 gram of clear, and then I ordered whatever 65 times 2 is. I'm not even going to try and work it out. I don't care that much about it. You guys can do the math. But yeah, so I've got 2 of these. One is actually in the salon at the moment. But my plan is, I've got 2 of these, yeah, and then I also ordered one of the little ones of the Intense Pink. This is a 7 gram of Intense Pink. I'm sure you've already cottoned on to what I'm probably going to say. But I believe that this is a sheer one, but it's like the brightest one that they do. And I'm going to mix them. I'm thinking I'm going to keep 1 tub as just Cameo because it's actually real. I have used it. I just did like a swatch of it, and it is actually not a bad colour. It's just very pale. It's just a little bit off-white. I imagine, I've seen a lot of people talk about Milky Pink from CJP, which is very nearly white, but just not quite. I feel like this is probably going to be quite similar. Don't quote me on that. I haven't tried the Milky Pink from CJP. It's just the idea that I kind of get in my head that this is probably similar to that. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to mix this with this, and then also like I have got these, oh that's from a different haul, and then also I do have like some pink powders if I need to add that as well, just to see what happens. I think this is nice. I think it could do with maybe just being a little bit darker, just a smidgen a little bit darker. So I have one more thing that I got, and I'm really, really happy. I'm sure you don't really care about this, but basically I've been looking for it online for ages. I've been needing to make this order for a while. It kept going on and it kept being out of stock. And I was like, do you know what? It's out of stock. I'm just going to have to make the order and not get them. And then the next day, I actually went on to make the order and they were back in stock. So I was really, really happy. So I have finally ended up getting myself some of the duo forms. Now I'd seen these on Amazon as well, but they were like twice the price on Amazon, and I was like, what? How is that even possible? So I have actually had a play with these, which is a little bit naughty before the haul video, I know. Yeah, so I've tried these out, and I'm not going to go into too much detail because obviously there's a video coming on it. But it's definitely something I want to look more into. If anybody has used these, please leave me a comment down below. I've seen Kirsty's videos, and I've seen there aren't that many videos of people using these with acrylic. A lot of people use gel with it. Obviously they're with the poly gel, but a lot of people, if they've done it, it's with a normal gel and not with acrylic. But the only issue I'm having is the apex, and I'm just not 100% sure what to do about it. I'm thinking, I'm trying out different things basically, but if anybody else can say to me, oh, do this, then please do, because I will try it. I will try it. Any advice you guys have got, I will try it. But yeah, I just got these forms, and I'm really glad I managed to get them. You get 10 of each size. The only other thing I would say about these is they don't go that big. With the trainer hand that I've got, the small nails are okay, but the bigger nails, there isn't a size that fits. They just don't cover it. You will see that in the video that I did actually, and I do actually show how I managed to kind of make it work. But that's the only thing I'm worried about is, I mean, obviously the nail trainer fingers, the nails are a lot bigger than anyone else's nails, which I've learned by doing clients and being like, oh my god, your nails are so tiny. But I am a little bit concerned that there will be people out there who have got like at least the thumbnail that might be too big to use with this. Which isn't going to be good, obviously, but hopefully it won't be an issue. We'll see. Let's turn this light down. It's very bright. Have I been too bright, guys, or now am I too dark? Let me know that as well, because I am working on my lighting. I feel like that's a bit too dark now. Just about there. Just about there. I look very shiny as well. I don't know why I look so shiny. Anyway, that's everything I got in this haul. It's only quite a short one. I didn't get loads of stuff, but like I said, I did need to restock on things. And the main thing that I had been keeping going on for was the Cameo. Well, all of it basically, but these. I really wanted to get these. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Sorry if it was a little bit random and kind of just like a top up of products, but we did get the forms as well, which is fun. And it's all actually new products that I didn't buy in my last haul, actually. So yeah, that's good too. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you've got any other products that you want me to try out, I will try and do that. Let me know down below. And I guess I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye! I love you! Bye!